Okay, air quality is terrible. We're making a very easy, very cheap air purifier. We have here a 20 by 20 filter. It's like $18 at Lowe's. And then we have here a box fan, 20-inch. So, it's the easiest thing in the world. You basically are gonna decide with the plug where it sucks the air in. You're gonna put this on top of here, and we use a little duct tape, and we're gonna make a very inexpensive air filter because California is on fire and we can't breathe and our eyes are burning. It doesn't have to be fancy. I think this whole thing is less than 40 bucks to make. And then we're gonna put it in our bedroom and close the windows. And we'll be able to sleep with fresh air. So all the air that gets sucked in through the filter. And we're trying to keep the smoke and the ash out of our bedroom. And then I'll plug it in when I'm done. And might need a little extra tape on the corners to make sure that it all blows through. And that's it. And there you have your Northern California box fan air filter.